wesicela kwengamashumi amathathu iminyaka izwe labuswa ngenqubo yentando yabantu ngeshwa kukhona abanikela ngomphefumulo wabo ukuze sizuze inkululeko. Omunye wabo uthembisile Christ Hani owabulawa ngesihluku esoqongwa esemzini wakhe eBoksburg iminyakeni engamashumi amathathu edlule. Amanxeba wakaPholi okubuhlungu kakhulu omunye wababulali bakhe uYanush udedelwe ngoshwele nyakenye. Umfelokazi kaHani uLimpho Hani usola izinkantolo zakuleli ngokungakhathaleli ubuhlungu abhekana nabo kubulawa umyeni wakhe.
This time our hearts are broken because those who are in power decided that our loss meant too little. They told us and demanded of our family to forgive, and told us that the killer of our dreams and aspiration as a family had more rights than us.
Ujolela ngokuthi senzo sikaWalusha akasoze asixolele.
As for this killer, a freed man now, Christ Hani's killing will never be forgiven. We strongly hold a view that this killer will kill again.
Ngaleyo ndlela iSABC ifuna kuvulwe idokodo lophenyo ngokubulawa kaHani ngelithi Walusha kukhona ulwazi aligodla ngetulo lokusoqongwa kukaHani.
Yanis Walusha was not supposed to be out of jail because one, they didn't disclose fully on what has actually happened. You can't have a weapon, a killer weapon that was stolen from, whether it was stolen or that was coming from the army, and you don't follow up what is it that has happened about it. Was it stolen or it was issued by someone else?
Iphini lokuqala likanobhala jikelele we-ANC linethemba lokuthi isikhumbuzo sikaHani sizoletha ukusivuselela kweqembu lisebenzele umphakathi.
In his memory, we hope also that the ANC will renew itself, its public representatives will be accessible to communities, and lastly that in the quest to find a better way of delivering services, there will be also an arrangement that regularizes coalitions, so that then they do not just become, a popcorn kind of a thing that emerges and bursts. There must be stability even where there are coalitions.
Okusobala ukuthi intukuthelo nobuhlungu ngenxa yokushaya indiva kwesihluku nonya lukahulumeni wobandlululo izakhamuzi zakuleli zinomuzwa ukuthi inkululeko ayilethanga guquko olutheni empilweni yazo. Izindaba zeSABC ngingonqubeko Nzimande.